Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurfaiza Karmelia Ramadhani and I'm one of the students previously at the Makassar State University. And I will telling how I feel during the online class. In the midst of the recent COVID-19 outbreak, implementing digital-based learning or e-learning is very useful to protect students from the spread of the COVID-19 virus. Moreover, the government has appealed to the public to be active at home as an effort to physical distancing or maintaining physical distance. To, super, to suppress the spread of the virus, the first is difficulty. The difficulty is that I don't fully understand the material, so I still need to learn more to learn more about the material and environment I live in now makes me distracted when there are online classes. Um, the second is weakness. The weakness that I experienced was the lack the lack of speaking in class, especially in English. And third, the challenge. The challenge that I experience are like I have to study more material that I don't understand. Uh, I also want to or not have to accept my current environment and try to adapt to my current environment. Um, but the material that the lectures bring is all easy to understand, but I just need to study the material. And another challenge is that I sometimes wake up late, so I forget that there is an online class. And by the way, I'm now in Parepare and there are also a lot of sorry, I want to explain again. By the way, I'm now in Parepare and there are also there are also a lot of culture shock that I have experienced quite a lot here, but until now I still can't get used to it and adapt because I actually prefer my neighborhood in Makassar, residential neighborhood. And by the way, in Makassar I live in Villa Mutiara, and in Parepare I live with my grandmother on Kebun Sayur Street. And in Parepare I help my grandmother in a trade that sells various kinds of basic necessities and other snacks. If I have an online class, sometimes I get permission for my grandmother to join the online class. Sometimes my parents also come when my younger siblings are on vacation. Their vacation. And honestly, I actually miss the city of Makassar. But I also have to get my education in the city of Parepare. And for me, education is important. By growing and developing, each individual can have creativity, wider knowledge, good personality, and become a responsible person. Maybe, maybe that is all I can explain about online learning. Hopefully, in the next semester, students can study offline. And also, there are subjects that make it difficult for me, uh, such, such as listening and speaking. Sometimes the audio is not clear and disconnect that, dan banyak juga yang saya dapatkan selama saya tinggal di kota yang berbeda, terutama jauh dari orang tua. Seperti saya bisa lebih mandiri dalam segala hal, entah itu dalam belajar ataupun dalam kehidupan sehari-hari. Dan saya juga lebih bisa mengatur keuangan saya, seperti menahan untuk belanja yang tidak diperlukan atau lebih ke memikirkan hal yang dibutuhkan. kan saya dulu waktu saya masih tinggal di orang tua, saya kadang saya beli apapun yang yang sepertinya mungkin tidak terlalu berguna, tapi berguna sih, tapi jatuhnya ke kayak keinginan gitu ya. Jadi saya sekarang lebih memikirkan kebutuhan yang saya inginkan gitu. Mungkin hanya ini yang bisa saya jelaskan mengenai pembelajaran online. Lebih dan kurangnya mohon dimaafkan. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.